J Storm reporting live, motherfuckers. Y'all know what it is. JBS, JUSBLO, nigga. Just blow. I want to take this time out of my day to tell y'all. This is some real shit, man. Y'all need to go out there, get on mymusicsite.com/JUSBLO. Go download the ringtones, the songs, the albums, the mixtapes, all that, man. This is serious business, man. This is real talk. Y'all need to go out there and do that shit. For real, motherfuckers trying to eat out here. My baby Jada gotta eat. I gotta eat. We all gotta eat. Y'all got me stressed out over here smoking the blunt and shit like that. Man, just go download the mixtapes for real, dog. That's all y'all can really do to help a nigga out. Shit, y'all already know. Hit me up on the MySpace, myspace.com/J, the letter J, Storm6. Or you can hit me up on the myspace.com/JUSBLO squad. Holla.